Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add motion graphics in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, open the DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Then drag a solid color or a video clip into the timeline, and here go to the Fusion page. And here you'll see two default nodes, the media in and the media out. Press Text plus or shape in the toolbar to add a motion elements, and use the keyframes to animate position, size, and rotation. Add more nodes for advanced effects. And after editing in the Fusion, go back to the edit page and your motion graphics will appear as part of the clip. And using a pre-made motion graphic templates, go to the edit page and you can go to the effects library and click the titles, then drag and drop any animated title a lower third into the timeline, and click the title in the timeline to open the inspector panel to customize text, color, animation, and speed. Then import the custom motion graphics and resize or position using inspector tab. And that's it. That's how you add motion graphics in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.